Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's going to make your work life more efficient and productive. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 essential productivity apps for professionals in 2023. So, whether you're a busy executive, a freelancer, or a student looking to stay organized, these apps are a must-have. Let's get started. Number 1. Todoist. This app helps you manage your tasks and projects with ease. With its intuitive interface and powerful features like reminders, due dates, and collaboration tools, you can keep track of your to-do list effortlessly. Number 2. Evernote. This app is a digital notebook that allows you to capture and organize your thoughts, ideas, and important information. You can take notes, create to-do lists, and even save web articles for future reference. Number 3. Toggl. Time management is crucial for professionals, and Toggl helps you track your time efficiently. With its simple interface and reporting tools, you can analyze where you're spending your time and make adjustments to improve your productivity. Number 4. Slack. Communication is key in any professional setting, and Slack is the ultimate team collaboration tool. With real-time messaging, file sharing, and integration capabilities, you can streamline communication and keep everyone on the same page. Number 5. Grammarly. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or documents, Grammarly is your virtual writing assistant. It helps you avoid spelling and grammar mistakes, suggests better phrasing, and enhances your overall writing skills. Number 6. Trello. Trello is a project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize and prioritize your tasks. It's perfect for visual thinkers who want a clear overview of their projects and progress. Number 7. Pocket. With the constant influx of articles, videos, and blog posts, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Pocket allows you to save and organize content for later, even offline. It's a fantastic app for professionals who want to stay informed without distractions. Number 8. Microsoft OneNote. For those who prefer a more comprehensive note-taking app, OneNote is an excellent choice. With its ability to handle multimedia, draw sketches, and collaborate in real time, it's like having a digital notebook on steroids. Number 9. Forest. Distractions are the arch nemesis of productivity, but Forest helps you stay focused. This app uses a unique gamified approach, where you plant virtual trees and resist the temptation to use your phone. The more focused you are, the more your virtual forest grows. Number 10. Calendly. Scheduling meetings can be a hassle, but Calendly simplifies the process. It syncs with your calendar and allows others to book appointments with you based on your availability, eliminating the back-and-forth emails. And there you have it, our top 10 essential productivity apps for professionals in 2023. These apps are designed to make your work life easier, more organized, and ultimately more productive. Let us know in the comments which app you're most excited to try out. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.